Okay, today, me and Meowsers are early birds today, because I woke up like around 5:50 a.m. And then I came out here to get like a little bit of a early morning snack, and then I saw Meowsers. Hey, Meowser. He's just eating his food. I don't even know what's he doing now. But yeah, he's for sure like gotten a lot bigger though, the last time that you guys saw him though. Like he's grown up a lot though. And for 2026, I can't believe he's turning 2, bro. That's so crazy. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this short little video to show you that Meowsers is still doing good. Yeah, it's still doing great today, indeed. So, yeah, guys, and I don't know where he's going now. He might go back to bed.